In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional looking logo in Canva, even if you have no prior design experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Canva tips. Start by heading over to Canva's website. In the search bar, type logo. You'll find a huge library of templates, both free and premium, ready to match any style. Browse through the options, open a few templates, and choose the one that best represents your brand. Once you've found your template, click Customize this template to enter Canva's design interface. Here the fun begins. Change colors, fonts, and images to match your brand's identity. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, or graphics that make your logo truly unique. Experiment with font sizes, alignments, and layouts until you are happy with the look. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've designed a distinctive logo for your brand using Canva's intuitive tools. Remember, your logo is the face of your brand, so take your time to make it reflect your vision perfectly. Happy designing!